What's up, guys? It's your girl Clarion, aka Clay's Customs, and today we're doing a very quick and simple, efficient how-to video. So I know you guys been seeing people do the outer laces on the Air Force Ones and the rope laces and all that cool stuff. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do that exact same thing using this leather hole punch professional pliers. Okay, so these are some leather plier hole punchers, and you basically just use it to punch holes through leather. So I'll be dropping a link down below for you guys if you want this, and let's get started. Alright, so right here we just have a regular Walmart shoe. It's about a $10 shoe I got from Walmart just to practice on. And this right here is the leather hole punch pliers that I got from Amazon. Very sleek, very handy. There's a little latch at the bottom, so we're just gonna put that little latch off. At the top you have your gauges, so you can pick what size you want your hole to be. So they have the different diameters for the sizing of the holes. I'm gonna leave it on the one that I already have, which is the 4, because I want my hole kind of big. So when I put the attachment in, so we're just gonna take off the latch and find a good spot on the shoe. So I'm looking for a spot right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it, push it down a little bit, put it exactly where I want it. I want the hole kind of in the middle of the shoe right here, kind of closer to the center, and we're just gonna click it. And once you hear that sound, then you got it exactly where you want it. So you're just gonna take the hole puncher out and kind of wiggle it a little bit. Since it's like embedded in the shoe, it's gonna be a little hard, but once you take it out, you have your hole just like that. Very simple, very easy to do, one-step process. There was a little bit of excess like cotton on the back, so I just took that off. But very quick, very simple, very easy, very easy, very simple. Okay, so now I'll be showing you guys the metal rivets. These are called metal rivets, and if you want to purchase these, I will have my Amazon link down below for you guys to click that. But these are metal rivets, and they have a 3-pack of 120, so it's 40 of each color. And there's silver, and then like a darker gray, and then gold. So here it is. I'm showing you guys a close-up of the silver, the darker gray color, and then the gold colors that they have. They're very shiny, very easy to use. So right now I'm going to use the darker gray one, and we're going to put it in the shoe. So they have like a little back screw part. You just stick it in like the inside of the shoe, and you just stick it in. And they also the packs also come with like a little screwdriver, but I just prefer to use my hand. But they do come with a screwdriver, so for you guys that want to use a screwdriver, but I mean it's very simple, so you really don't have to use the screwdriver. So I just hold the back screw part with my finger, and then I take the front and I just spun it around a few times till it's really tight. And you can tell when it's really tight because like when you're pulling it, like you'll see it's not going anywhere. So yeah, that was it. And then the inside is gonna look like this. So you're gonna have your screw in the inside, and if you want to, you can like put some fabric over it to cover it. But I mean it's in the inside, so it's not really like noticeable. But yeah, you could just pull it and make sure it's in there good and tight, and there you go. Very simple, very easy to use. And I'm gonna show you guys basically like what you can use it for. So I just took a pair of bling laces that I had, and I just put it on the top and put it through there. So there you go. And if you want to use any of these materials that I use, they'll all be in my description down below, in my Amazon storefront. So all these tools and all these things that I use will be in my Amazon storefront description down below. And here is the little screwdriver that came with the rivets. So you just can take the screwdriver, and if you want to make sure that your rivets are in there nice and tight, because you want to make sure that your customers it's done well, you can just take that and use it. And this is what the screw is gonna look like in the back. So yeah, there you go. Very simple, very easy. So please make sure if you have any questions, put it in the comments down below, and thank you for watching, everyone.